This is a quick tutorial on how to add a poll to your Haiku page. From your Haiku page, you go to Activities, click Polls, add a poll, and then here you type in your question. And then down here you can click your choices or include your choices. You can add as many choices as you like. You set it so students are the ones who answer. I like to make my polls anonymous, but that can depend. You can also put it in a write-in choice if you'd like. Click Next. And here your poll is previewed for you so you can see how it looks. I will publish my poll and decide to never display the poll results, so only I can see them rather than the students can't see what everybody else did. Sometimes you want them to see what everybody else did, but sometimes you don't. I can have the poll be open forever or until an end date. I'd like to publish the poll in a new content block, and I will call that content block the dinner poll. And then I will choose to put that poll on my Unit 1 planner at the very top of the page, and then I publish. So there is my poll. To see where it is, I can go to my pages, and I expect to see at the top of my landing page, which is what I see. The students will have the option to choose one of these. It's not live on your teacher page, but it shows up differently on theirs. If I want to view the results, I can just go here, and obviously there are no responses. But I can always go back to any of my polls from before, and if I look at this homework poll that I gave in class the other day, I can view the results there, and they present the data, so it's pretty easy to read. So I'm going to delete this poll because I don't want it to be live, so I can do that just here, and the poll is deleted. So now the students don't see that poll since that was just for the purposes of this tutorial. If you have any questions, just ask.